Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to change the battery in a Cadillac key fob. This happens to be from a 2021 XT5. So what you're going to need is a small screwdriver to get under the battery, or a nail file, anything that you can use. Okay, so the first thing to do is to push this little button right here and take the physical key out. Take the metal key out. Then, using either the screwdriver or you can use the key, put it in the little spot that it just came out of and just pry it up, put it in and give it a little bit of a twisting action. There you go. And it will come right out. So then you will see the battery here. So here's where you put your screwdriver. You could put it right there to pry out the battery, as you could see. Or if you don't have a screwdriver handy and you have a nail file, whatever you can to get underneath the battery right here, and just take it out. Okay, so the battery is a CR2032 3 volts. So once you got your battery, you put it upside down with the numbers facing away from you, the little slot, and you press it till you hear the click. Then you line it up with the other part. You put them on and you press together till you hear the click. Okay, that's it, and that's all there is to it. You take your key, put it back in, you're back in action. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, a thumbs up or even a subscription will be greatly appreciated. Help us hit that elusive YouTube algorithm, and so we can make more of these helpful videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.